The structure of the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of the following parts. Testes. These are a pair of oval-shaped structures located outside the abdomen in a sac-like structure called scrotum. The temperature of scrotum is lower by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade from the body temperature. It is essential for the maturation of sperms. The testes produce a large number of sperms in a slimy liquid called semen. Vas deferens. This is a duct that connects the testes to the urethra. Urethra is a small duct that passes through the penis. Semen from the testes passes through it and discharged into the female reproductive system. Penis. It is the male reproductive organ through which the sperms are discharged. It is also used to discharge urine. Functions of the male reproductive system. It has two main functions. First, production of sperms, and second, to deliver the sperms to the reproductive tract of female. The accessory glands. The glands which are associated with the male reproductive system, they secrete various fluids which together with sperms form semen. First, prostate gland. It is a single gland. Its secretion forms 15% to 33% of semen. And seminal vesicles. It is pouch-like structure which produces alkaline fluid. It forms 60% of the semen. It neutralizes the acidic medium of female tract. Fertilization. It is the process of fusion of sperms and egg, that is ovum, to produce a zygote. Fertilization can be of two types, internal and external. Internal fertilization, the eggs and sperms are released in the surroundings. It takes place mostly in the aquatic invertebrates like fishes and amphibians, where they release the egg and sperms in water. External fertilization takes place in the land animals. The sperms are deposited in female reproductive tract where the eggs are fertilized. In human beings, the fertilization occurs in the fallopian tubes in females. Sperms from male are received in the vagina and they swim up to the fallopian tube for the fertilization. Out of millions of sperms released in the vagina, only one sperm can fertilize one egg cell. Rest all the sperms are removed or killed during the process. Single-celled zygote, which is formed after the fertilization, moves from the fallopian tube to the uterus and gets implanted in it for the further development. Embryonic growth and development. The zygote formed after fertilization undergoes numerous cell divisions to become multicellular ball of cells called blastocyst. It becomes embedded in the uterine wall for further development. Embedding and attachment of the blastocysts to uterine wall is called implantation. The blastocyst, after several cell divisions, changes into embryo or fetus. Embryo is attached to the uterus by placenta. The development of fetus inside uterus is called pregnancy. The single-cell fertilized egg, that is the zygote, after several cell divisions. This process of cell divisions is called cleavage. changes into blastula, which is a hollow ball. The blastula, after several cell divisions, changes into gastrula. The gastrula, after the cell differentiation, changes to the embryo. Embryo changes to fetus. Fetus develops in a baby, and the baby grows into an adult. At the end of 280 days of pregnancy, certain hormones start a series of contraction of the uterine muscles. These muscular contractions are called labor. When the muscular contractions increase, the baby is delivered through the vagina. The full term of development of an embryo in the uterus is termed as gestation period.